Shop James Bond style. James Bond style. I'm a secret agent, call me 007. I'm sorry that I told you, now I guess I've got to kill you. The British Royal Navy isn't quite so forgiving, but honestly, no one will miss you. I get a brand new car, every single mission I make them raise the bar. Aston Martin, BMW and Jaguar. Forget about resale value, cause I trash them all. Trash them all. I'm not going to lie, most of the women die that I'm with, hey, they live for it, hey, I'm invincible, I'm killing criminals while drinking, hey, a martini, hey, every bullet that you shoot goes right past me. Kill Shop James Bond style. James Bond style. Kill. Kill Shop James Bond style. Kill. James Bond style. Kill. Hey, Money Penny. Kill. Hey, Money Penny. Kill. Every time I'm in a bind, I always seem to get free. I just play my villain's ego, and he starts his long speech about how the world is doomed once he finally kills me. Please, sir, I was bluffing. I'm obsessed with puns. Every time I kill a man, I come up with one. But sometimes my one-liners have different outcomes. Die choking on the barrel of my gun. No, not that gun, this one.